At Luzerne County Community College, our mission comes to life every day through the success and dedication of our students and faculty. This month, we celebrated the mission in powerful ways across campus. EDFest returned, showcasing the talent of our communication arts students through design, photography, music, and multimedia. In our health sciences programs, we honored the class of 2026 in respiratory therapy, dental hygiene, and nursing through pinning ceremonies, making their transition into essential healthcare professionals serving our region. We also celebrated the achievements of more than 500 graduates. At Commencement, a milestone moment recognizing academic excellence across all disciplines. Beyond the classroom, our commitment to community impact was recognized as the Social and Behavioral Science departments received the Outstanding Community Partner Award from Luzerne County Head Start. From creative arts to healthcare to community engagement, these moments reflect on who we are and why our mission matters. At Luzerne County Community College, we don't just educate students, we prepare them to lead, serve, and succeed. That's this month's Mission Minute.